Hi, welcome to my channel, and today I have this Ruby Organics Poppy Pink blush with me. This is a cream blush. I have asked for your suggestion for blushes and you recommended me this.
This cream blush comes in this box and it has this ingredients list in the back, and you can see the batch number and barcode. It's kind of box within the box packaging, and then we have this blush and it comes in this tiny glass jar, and the blush is actually very creamy. It feels so moisturizing. The color is very pretty. It's somewhat color pink. The shade name is number 7 Poppy Pink. Ruby's Organics, they say that we can apply this on our cheeks, on our lips and on our eyelids. So I have tested it on my lips as well. This cream blush is fairly pigmented, and personally I don't like my blush to pop out like more. I like the subtle glow and it does the job very well. I didn't have any trouble blending this. It doesn't feel cakey on my face. I was sweating so much, still it lasted pretty well, and on my lips it actually felt very comfortable and doesn't feel patchy, but it will be better if your lips are already moisturized. I don't know really how it would work on extremely dry lips, and they say it might have mica, but I didn't find any mica in it. It doesn't have any glitter particles, which I really like. I don't like my blush to have glitters. My skin has been feeling irritated because I had tried few new products, so I don't want to layer it up more. And for my lips, I have done the transfer test and it transfers a bit, but nothing too outrageous. I keep the light minimal to show you the color as true as possible.
So now let's talk about the ingredients. The first ingredient is kaolin, which is a white clay. Second ingredient is zinc stearate, which is the zinc salt of stearic acid. It works as coloring agent and also gives nice texture to a product. The third ingredient is lanolin, which is also known to be wool wax. Dr. Dre has made one very good video about this ingredient. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. It can work as emollient, but there are people who can be allergic to this ingredient. Do a patch test. Up next we have oils like jojoba oil. See, jojoba oil breaks me out like anything, but I don't know. I think it's the formulation. It didn't bother me in this formula yet. If you are allergic to jojoba oil, then be careful. Then it has castor oil, it has shea butter, cocoa butter, and it has vitamin E, beeswax, and it has one ingredient which is isopropyl myristate. I hope I'm pronouncing this right. So this has this 5 rating in the comedogenic scale. So it can clog the pores, but in this ingredients list it comes in this lower section, so it might not be that of an issue. But still, if you have acne prone skin, oily skin and irritated skin, then I think you should do a patch test. I really won't recommend this to acne prone skin. So even sensitive skin, please do a patch test. It didn't do anything wrong to my skin yet, but still you gotta be careful. Like any other products. So yeah. Up next it has one very good antioxidant, which is resveratrol. It is like derived from grapes, wines. Next it has one seed extract, which basically has fatty acids. So the formula is good. It is very nourishing and moisturizing. It has many emollients. But if you have acne prone skin, I really won't suggest this. But still, if you want to try this one, do a patch test. And yes, like I say, things can work differently on different skin. So the experience can be really subjective, but if you have allergic to lanolin, then yeah, be careful there. So this blush, I really like it. The color is so pretty and they have many shades. So you can pick the color you like, what suits you most, what you are comfortable with. I don't really like too much blush. I like this natural, very subtle look. But there are people who like really this, the blush to pop out. But you can do this. If you like layer it, you use it like a bit more. I think it can give you the look very easily. And for lips, my lips actually feel very comfortable. On cheeks, I have noticed it stays like 4 to 5 hours, and on lips it depends on what you are eating or drinking. And it has this kaolin clay. It feels actually very smooth and it doesn't contain any fragrance, which is good. The price point is actually quite high, 1100 for 9 grams, but there are high-end brands who charge way more. But if you're looking for any affordable blush, then I have to look more for the options, and I have received this suggestion for this Flower Beauty blush, and I love the color. They have this powder blush, even they have one cream blush as well. I might try that out, and yeah, I'm open to trying out new products. I really like blush and lipstick, that's all when it comes to makeup. So yeah, I'll try more blushes, no worry there. I'm gonna give you more options. And for this blush, I like it. I think it's gonna be very good for dry skin, but yeah, be careful about this linalool because there are people who have allergies from this ingredient because it has, I think, oil alcohol that is causing the problem, but it has cholesterol as well, which is very good for our skin. Like it can moisturize, condition our skin, and I highly encourage you to watch the video from Dr. Ray about this ingredient. But one thing, in cosmetics they use very refined quality of linalool. And yeah, I like this cream blush, and I have another cream blush from Skin Food. I got this long time back. I don't have the ingredients list anymore with me. I mostly use this color, and I think Ruby Organics, they have some shades like this. This one actually, even this one. This is a beautiful shade. Wait. Slightly pinkish. I'm sweating like anything. Okay, this. So pretty, right? Okay, I forgot to mention, they have also written that it may also contain mica, titanium dioxide, and they have mentioned the colors. So please do let me know what you think. And that's all for now. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this. See you very soon. Bye bye.